Welcome to how to assemble your stack rack Undermount Posts. If you need any help with this, please call the number at below. First, you're going to start with your bottom shelf. That is the 5th shelf. All the cone boxes are marked with the corresponding shelf that you need to go to. First, you're going to screw in your cones in all 4 corners. Make sure they're good and tight and right up against the shelf. Next, you're gonna put your cone pads underneath your spikes. There is adhesive pads to put to the cone pad. Next, we're going to do the 4th shelf with numbers 11, 22, 33, and 44. Add the threaded rod to where the numbers are in the post. Make sure to screw them down the whole way. Grab the matching number to the shelf and screw in your post. Make sure it's good and hand tight. Then you're going to add your cones to the bottom of the post. Make sure there's cone pads on the shelves. And then line up your cones to the pads. If you need to adjust for levelness, unscrew the tip at the bottom. Next is the 3rd shelf, numbers 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x. First, we're going to place in our post with the marking facing the shelf. Twist them in, good hand tight. Apply the cones to the bottom of the post. Make sure the curve's up front, and then gently put 1 cone in at a time. Then adjust to level. Next is the 2nd shelf. This shelf is already assembled on this rack. All you have to do is put the cones in the bottom. Go ahead and place on top of the 3rd shelf. Then the top shelf, letters 0, X, Y, and Z. Go ahead and hand tighten the post in. Cones in the bottom, and then place on top of the 2nd shelf, curve out front. Adjust until it's flat if needed. And there's the rack. Now we'll do the back panel, match up all the letters A, B, and C. Place a screw in the top, 2 corners. Hand screw them in so they come through the back. It's easier to hook up on to the holes. And put 1 in and let the other side hang down, and then screw in that hole. For the drill, usually we do resistance 6 or 7, so only screw in halfway on these first 2 screws, and screw in your middle screws. Go ahead and screw them the whole way in, and then you can do your outside screws. And that is the stack rack undermount post assembly. Thank you for watching, and come check us out at timbernation.com. Email us at sales@timbernation.